Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from PayPal to Bitcoin wallet. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out. So to get started with the easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from PayPal to Bitcoin wallet, so the first thing to do is to check your requirement, because sending Bitcoin from PayPal to external wallet is only supported in some region, and you're also sending money from PayPal directly to Bitcoin wallet isn't supported. You can only purchase Bitcoin right from PayPal, so you purchasing or sending through another external app might not be possible. So here is a simple workaround. So if the external wallet is supported in your region, so the first thing to check is your requirement. So for you to get that, you have to bought a Bitcoin using a PayPal. Then your identity must be fully verified. Then once that is fully verified, or once that is done, then the next step is to open your PayPal app, then go to the crypto section. Then from there select Bitcoin. Then after that, tap on your Bitcoin balance. Then after that, choose transfer out. Then from there tap transfer or send, then choose send cryptos to another wallet. Then once that is done, then enter the wallet address. So to get this, you have to paste the wallet address, which is the external Bitcoin wallet address. Double check it very carefully because it's very important, so you will not lose your fund. Then after that, you have to confirm the transaction. So review the network fee, if any, then confirm and complete the transfer. And that's how to send money from PayPal to a Bitcoin wallet. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.